Hello, this is a brief demonstration of an ultrasonic water level indicator that was designed to be used on boats' water tanks underneath and work as a gauge. Most boats miss a gauge at the bottom, and this device could help fix that problem and be used as a gauge on the bottom. So we have the Arduino Uno here that is connected to 5 resistors, 330 ohms resistors, and thereby those resistors are connected to the VeriBoard and the lights. So 3 lights are red and 2 are green, each represent 20% of the volume of the water tank. And the green one obviously are the upper 40%, and each one will turn off as the volume goes down. This is an HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor that sends the noise at one side and receives it from the other side, and therefore will calculate how far the surface of the water is, sends the data to the Arduino, and the Arduino will calculate the volume percentage. This is the cable that was used to actually program the Arduino. It was connected to the PC. The application used for the programming was the Arduino.cc website, which you can actually code online, and the code was written here. And as you connect your Arduino, you can actually program it here and select it here, which I've already done that, and you verify it, which I have received the verification a note underneath, and you can actually go through it here and check the programming as well. So as a power supply, I designed a 9-volt battery. It could be used anything else on it. The reason why I used a 9-volt battery was to supply enough current for the lights to turn on. So the device was originally designed to show the percentage of the water, of the volume of the water on an LCD, on a 5-inch LCD. But since I was getting various data and numbers every second, and it was so difficult for him to read, I actually disconnected the 550 ohm resistors that I had used on that one, and had to change the design. Unfortunately, after changing the design and changing the code of the program, the functionality of the Arduino kind of maybe reduced, or I received a couple of errors which I was unable to fix. But this is, as you can see, it actually turns on, and it was working on the LCD, but unfortunately I don't know what I've done that I kind of messed it up on changing it to the LED lights. I was working on the LCD, but and I kind of changed. This part actually could be also disconnected from the battery, connected to the computer and the monitor that are on boats, and it could easily be functional. So this goes on the bottom of the lid, considering that well, this is the Arduino box. Considering that this is the lid of the water tank, this will be installed underneath it, and it will go on, and the VeriBoard will be installed right on top of it. And even if it's light, dark, or even in distance, since these are different colors, the user can actually see what the color of the lights are and how much percentage of water is left in the water tank. And yep, that's it. Hopefully I can get it to work soon, but at this point, after changing it to LED lights, I couldn't actually find the error and the function.